Hi, my name is Freddy Cristancho. I show you some of the most important places in the city. The first place is Monserrate. It is an iconic place in the city. There is a church on the top, you can say. You can go out walking or you can get a ticket train. When you are out, you can eat lunch. The view is very nice. Then we have Golden Museum. It is. The Golden Museum is in the center of the city. There are many beautiful things that you can see. For example, our native make many works in gold are really beautiful. This is the Candelaria town. You can find old house there. There are many stores in the Candelaria town and restaurants and discotheques. Also, there is a big library. Your name is Luis Ángel Arango. The next place is Simón Bolívar Park. It's the big park in the center of the city. There is a lake. You can make many sports. Run, riding bike. Many families go there. It's really relaxed. There is a lake. You can see the park. It's really big. Bye.